can tell me about the Yankees. The Yankees won last night, Jackpot. That's why you love them, right? Thank you.
I like Pretty Bird.
Oh, everybody loves a pretty bird.
Thank you.
Thank you. Why are you thanking me? I love you. I love Yankees.
I love thank you. What's that? Hi guys, pretty baby Jackpot. I love you. Come on, kissy dada. What do you call me with this time? Jackpot, music. I can't sing.
Yeah, you have music later. It's too early in the morning for music now. Why are you making that squeaky noise? That's just like your toy. Your squeaky bird now.
I love you. Okay, now. That's what I'm here standing. Let's see the company of Dad's bad. Well, they were picking it in their truck. Come on, kiss it, Dada. I love you. Dada's Jack. Where's that Jackpot? There's a new truck. Dada's Jack. Hello, pretty bird. Was it up to kiss Dada? I put your split in that balloon. What's up, Stunner? I love when you're bad, split it out.
Up, they're mowing the grass outside. Gotta shut it off now. Too noisy. But I want to show everybody where that noise comes from that you make. Jackpot has his toys here. This is one of them. And when you squeeze it, it goes. And he makes the same exact sound himself. I don't know how he does it. I don't know how he does it. How do you do it, Jackpot? How do you do it? How do you mimic all those noises? You are just the smartest bird in the whole wide world. Who loves the Yankees? He's a Yankee bird.
I like you.
Well, you're very welcome. It's a pleasure having you as a Yankee member of the Yankee family. Okay, we'll sign it off for now. Today is September 12th, 7:30 in the morning, as always. Jackpot's up saying everything that's on his mind first thing in the morning. I love you, Jackpot. How about a close-up for the camera? Bye-bye. And a kiss to say goodbye. I love you.